We've got some rain and possible thunderstorms coming up for Easter, but when is that timing and just how much are we going to get? Well, let's get you through future track over the next 48 hours or so. Kind of cloudy today here and there, and most of the afternoon and evening not going to experience much in the way of rain. In fact, we might have to wait till late tonight to get some showers and thunderstorms out here to the west of Highway 281. That's likely where this is going to stay. Maybe some of this could have some stronger storms at times, but likely just some rain, some heavier rain and some lightning. And again, that's really on the western fringe because that's still darting to the northeast. So that's late tonight. Not going to impact too many places. Once we get into Saturday, it will be partly to mostly cloudy. And during the afternoon, there are going to be some showers that will try to develop. Maybe some of these could strengthen into a thunderstorm or two, but there's a lot of warm air aloft that's really going to limit this development. These are not going to be able to grow very tall. So again, isolated stuff there in the afternoon. Really what we're waiting on is a larger line of showers and thunderstorms to approach us for Sunday morning, Easter morning, getting into our western counties here. Future track suggestion by 5 a.m., but this should be rapidly weakening as it comes in. Maybe some fringe strong to severe storms out west, but that would be pretty limited. Is that line going to dry up entirely by the time it gets to Interstate 35 for Sunday morning? Probably not entirely, but again, a weakening mode. At the very least, what I would say, Easter morning, you're going to have some showers coming in, especially along and west of Interstate 35, maybe with some thunderstorms, and really weakening as it gets out to the east. By the time we get into Sunday afternoon, maybe the only thing we'll see would be a renewal of some isolated showers and storms in the Brazos Valley. So what that tells us for Sunday is that in the morning, maybe not the best time to have some outdoor plans. I don't think the weather is going to be terribly rowdy, but I would say go ahead and put off your outdoor stuff until lunchtime or Sunday afternoon when the weather should be a lot better. Could be a little wet that morning. By the way, the rain totals here from now through Sunday afternoon, maybe 1 to 2 inches from San Saba to Meridian and Hillsborough, but those numbers quickly fall off once we get into the eastern half of the area. You could quickly find your way down into just a fraction of an inch for the rest of us. Again, this stripe here kind of painted Friday night, Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then once everything works to the east, things dramatically weaken. Getting into tonight, your lows right around the upper 60s, 69 degrees for most folks. And tomorrow, high temperatures right around 81 to 83, a little bit cooler out to the west. So for the 10-day forecast, we do have a better day there on Monday, and we'll start to see the return of some showers and thunderstorms here and there in scattered fashion once we go through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week, with temperatures still in the 80s. So Sunday is going to be a little cooler because we'll have the rain coming through that morning, cooling off in the afternoon. It'll be around 77 in the Brazos Valley, and then maybe another instance of 79 on Wednesday, otherwise pretty warm.